An invitation to Tan Sri Lani Datuk to come to the Philippines because you intend to host.
I think Cory has already told you guys.
No, not yet.
Yeah, invitation. We talk. I know Tan Sri for more than 10 years now, and we had a good breakfast for 2 days straight, and I told him that we are opening a hotel in Davao, an Ascot, 280 rooms with a 2,000-seater ballroom by July. So, tinatarget namin magbukas yan in time for Kadayawan, which is in August. And yeah, he was saying that if we are open to host, right? I mean, we see to international in maybe in November, December. So we're in talks about the arrangements, especially that Liana won, and it will be good to defend the crown in our hometown, right? So hopefully we're planning about it, and baka sakaling back to back pa with Mucha in the same place, right? So maganda rin kasi we were able to yung ma-promote namin yung Davao because I'm from Davao, and we are building a township there, 30-hectare township, no? And so you guys will be invited, all of you, all expenses paid.
Wow!
It's a launch for the property also, and then so you can help us promote Davao, not just the hotel, but all the places. We give you a tour of all the nice places in the resorts and everything about Davao, no? So it's about time as well na ilabas natin yung pageantry sa Manila, sa traffic na Manila. Okay? Masarap din yung pagkain doon. So, personal host. Okay, but I'd like to extend my congratulations to Yana because I was here last week when Alisa won, right? And as a runner-up, a third runner-up. And I promise you one thing, di ba? Sabi ko magkikita pa tayo next week. So I'm here and I fulfilled my promise. This is also, Christmas party natin to. May pa-raffle tayo mamaya. Okay, so stay a little bit. Have you guys eaten?
Yes.
Or, you can eat more. And, DJ John Robinson will be playing. DJ John Robinson is an iconic DJ since 1950. Okay. Anyway, he's a good singer. He's just a good DJ. He's a good singer. So he's part of our Green Light Productions talent as well. So we work together. So if you need anything, any services, let me know because we manage his career also, you know, from our network. And yeah, just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's been a good year for us, no? We have won 3. May isa pa sa June. So this environment. So exciting times for Mucha and beauty pageantry in the Philippines. Salamat. Thank you.
For all the support.
I know you for OP. OPM Worldwide. First of all, congratulations and thank you for the honor to our country.
Thank you so much.
Okay, actually, my question is parang almost the same with the question ni Mark Norma, but maybe i-revise ko na lang ng konti. So, in the past decades or so, we saw the emergence of the Philippines as a powerhouse in Miss Tourism International. So, in your opinion, what is the reason behind that success? Specifically, the time when Mutya ng Pilipinas start sending representative to Miss Tourism International.
I think the most important for that is the journey behind that pageant po. We have a lot of trainings, we have a lot of efforts to put on. As I experienced po, I have to leave my work for 3 months now just to be prepared. And I think the dedication that we put on that kind of pageant, the dedication that we have to be ready before we step on the stage, really have the advantage to be on that stage po.
Wow. Okay, and as doing the title holder of the pageant, what's in store for you? I mean, alam ko kasi may mga nakilala akong mga nakaklose kong mga winners din dyan sa pageant na yun. Pero some of them, hindi sila yung talagang yung katulad ng nalunan mo, kundi parang mga subtitles. Pero bongga yung mga prizes nila. So, what's in store for you as the major winner? As the top title?
We had this meeting po after the day after the pageant. We talk about the contract. I have the 18 months contract with MTI. But they will manage me through Mutya, through Tita Cory, still Tita Cory. And there's no specific dates for the travels. I think they will just keep me posted for that travels po.
Okay, may you know your duties and obligations to the organization?
Duties and obligations, I think po, there's no specific that they said as of now. They just discussed the contract that I will not go to another pageant within 18 months because I have a contract with them.
Thank you so much and congratulations again.
Thank you po.
Okay.
The next is the girly Sue of Pageant 3. This is Ed Tenoria.
And they will call this Ed Tenoria.
Ang tagal naman. Umikot pa dahil
Hi, kabayan.
Hello po.
Yes. Nakaka-proud to say.
Since Miss Batangas.
Yeah.
Yes, nandun po kayo.
So bilang isang Batanggenya at bilang Batanggenya rin naman. So kumusta yung pag-welcome sa atin sa Batangas?
Yesterday po, I had this courtesy call with our mayor. So they recognized me as winning the MTI 2024, and they really grateful for the honor that I gave to not just to mayor but more onto the whole Batangas province.
So ayun. Okay ka na pag ito noon? Ayaw ka. Pabilis lang, Carmi. Anyway, what lessons have you learned on your Miss Tourism International journey?
I think number one is the discipline. We have everyday wake-up call, everyday events, activities, tours, and I think as a person po kasi, I really thought that discipline is the number one for you to achieve what you want in life. And I promise to myself talaga po na I will perform. I will put a lot of efforts, even though in waking up early morning talaga po, just to do my makeups.
Okay. Last question. How much yung napanalunan mo yung prizes? Or ano ba yung mga prizes as a winner of Miss Tourism International 2024?
Basta po 50% pa lang yung nakukuha ko. Dahil next year pa po yung 50% when I pass the crown.
Ayun. Ganun talaga daw. Sabi mo.
Yes. Tita Cory. Yes. But the crown po is the real crown po.
Okay. Thank you so much, girl. I'm so proud of you. Labang Batanggenya.
Yes.
And our next question goes to Jay Barbo.